backing into customer's residence, grabbing a 63 Lincoln Continental. Let's check it out. Why is it sitting sideways like that? Straighten my bed out so we don't land the bed on his plants. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Almost fell. Alright. Nice car, but I don't think we need soft straps because I think this one has brake lines that are in the way. Go right over top of the axle. Oh. Guessing it's something with the bags, but he also said it's not running. I don't know. The car's definitely sitting sideways, but it's not sitting sideways because it's not running, I wouldn't think, right? Who knows? This side is definitely lower though. Ooh. Okay. I think we're gonna need ramps because there's a lot of ass on the back of these things, and it's low because the bags are not inflated on that side because someone doesn't know how to run airlines. Or doesn't know how to maintain them one way or another. Actually, I don't know if we do. I guess we'll see. Let's see. Wow, that shifter is super vague. Okay. No, I don't think we're gonna need ramps. Should be good. Do need to straighten the steering wheel out though. Just a little bit. Changed my ringtone and now it's stuck in my head. Try to change it like every 6 months or so because it starts to piss me off. I don't know why. Now we are gonna just make that. Look at that. Love it. I think that door is stuck. Just need to jam it back in park. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. And of course we got white walls or white wall adjacent things. So I'm gonna use those obviously. Not like that. We will use these little brackets back here. Pretty beefy, so I'm not worried about using them. That'll work. Come on. Even though we're only going to use like 3 feet of this 12-foot strap. So now we got to deal with this. But we don't want to dirty the white walls. Come on. Okay. We'll use this one. Oh no, it's not close enough on that side, so we'll have to do the same thing on that side. But let's do the front. Just gonna use a hook. Put this over here for later. This thing's cool looking, but man, it is a boat. Long and low, long and low. Just, I was gonna say something. I was gonna say, but I'm not gonna say it. Sorry. Got myself. Alright. Ooh, I smell fuel. The gas. Might be leaking the gas. Come on. So annoying. But it's even more annoying not having a strap long enough when I need it, so can't complain too much, I guess. I'm still gonna. Oh, just heard the customer come out. Hey, how you doing?
Hey man, how you doing?
Good.
All loaded up and ready?
Yes, sir, almost. I just gotta put that last one on, we're good. Is it bagged in the rear?
What?
Is it bagged in the rear?
Yeah, he's got to put new ones in.
Okay, I was gonna say, it's sitting like super sideways. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's part of the...
Part of the issue?
Yeah, that's part of the issue, and then there's a gas leak in it.
I was gonna say, I could smell that too.
Yeah.
So, okay. So I'm assuming the fuel leak is why it's not running then too?
Did you try starting it?
No, I didn't.
It would start it.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want to, he told me not to start it, so I just didn't.
I unhooked the battery.
Oh, okay.
He's like, I started backing it out and it was running out of it now.
Oh,
like,
no.
Oh, dude, I gotta turn this off.
Yeah, 100%.
My car one day.
Right. Let's see. That's the trick with the bags, though. We got to make sure we don't poke them. Let's see. Let me get that a little higher.
You can see the bags right under here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a big car guy. I just love the car.
No, yeah. You can see them under there. Yeah. We're just gonna make sure we grab over here rather than by the bag.
Got it.
There we go. Yeah, I just assumed from the way it was sitting that there was a bag problem.
That's one of them.
Yeah. Let this down a little bit so that lines up better. And then am I billing Dave or you? Do you know?
Dave.
Okay, no worries. There we go. All right. The keys are in it, right? I didn't even...
Yeah, it's in the
center console?
Yep.
Okay. That's where he said they'd be. I just didn't need them, so. And then I'm sure you noticed, but we tied it down, or I tied it down differently so we didn't have to put them around the wheels and mess up the white walls.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, all set, man. I'll get it down to Dave.
All right, thank you.
Yep, have a good day. He was probably watching me on his cameras and saw I was almost done. It's funny. Yeah, people always want me to bill the mechanic for some reason. It's fine. I just don't know if they price it the same way as I do. But we will pick it up down at Dave's shop. Never been there. Dave's a brand new customer, so we'll see. Right, backing into Dave's place. Starting the clip a tad early because I don't know at what point I'm supposed to jump out because I don't know where exactly he wants this thing, but I guess we'll figure out here in about 2 seconds. Oh, here he comes. Let's see. Oh, he's saying to go back more. Okay. All right. Yeah, the bed goes out pretty far, so once we get it out, it'll be right where you want it.
Hit the key and it'll air up a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't do anything because I could smell fuel.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm not fucking with it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think one of those stupid Red Horse fittings came loose.
Gotcha. And I told him, but I'll tell you too, I tied it down differently so we didn't have to go around the tires to get the white walls.
Yeah, white walls. I've had that with white walls.
Right. Yeah, the baskets, they're easy, but fuck man, they will mar the hell out of those. Yeah. Yeah, it took me like 45 minutes to get down here because I didn't take the freeways. Because I'm always worried about the windshields on convertibles backwards. I was like, if I thought about it and went against my better judgment and got on the freeway and something happened, I would never forgive myself. Oh man.
So you're out of Scottsdale?
Yes. Absolutely.
Stuff all the time.
Yeah. We go anywhere and everywhere. Of course, someone's calling me right now. Towing. Hello? What was that? There's no one here by that name. Not that I'm aware of. Yelp calling. 10 a.m. on a Monday seems weird. I should say Yelp. Who fucking knows?
Oh.
Yeah. Trying to sell us something, I'm sure. All right. This door I could not get to open.
Oh yeah. He told me that the thing came off on it somehow.
Okay. I was like, so I had to.
Is it in park? Okay.
Yeah, it's in park now. I'm just gonna slide it in neutral. And then I didn't need the key at all, so it's wherever he put it.
Right. No, that's fine.
Okay.
You still have a home. Okay.
He's got what?
All right, yeah.
Oh no, yeah, I still got the winch on it. Yeah. No, it would have been long gone by now if I if I didn't. No. Yeah.
I have a lot of Lincolns.
Yeah? They're great cars. Beautiful. Land yacht variety. Just making sure we didn't drag the nose. We are good. And if they're any lower than this, too, we have race ramps that are metal too. So, and these, because these will just crush the foam ones because of how heavy they are. So, just so you know for next time. Yeah, the exhaust on the right side got kind of close, but it was fine. Let me set the bed a little more so it doesn't spring up. Yeah, I'll just pull the bed away from it, yeah. All right, let me unhook. What's the story with the CRX?
Let's get rid of it.
Yeah?
You don't want anybody that wants it.
Me. What year is it?
I don't know. It's my friend's. He's storing it here, but I told him, I said, get rid of that thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have my number. That 909 number is my direct line.
I'll call him.
Yeah. And I can move it myself too. Let me get the other one on this side. What the fuck? All right, we are free. Let's see. Just push it just a little bit forward.
I think if I can.
There we go. Yeah, just so I don't have to drag the ground too far. If you want to jam it in park, that'd be good. You're taller than I am. You could probably reach it from there. There you go. Cool. Do you know if it has a drivetrain in it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's Contiental on the front end because it has aftermarket wood on it.
Oh, okay. Huh. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-ding-ding. Well, if I would have known it was that easy. Let me turn this off. He said he unplugged the battery too, but I think you just plugged it in, right? Yeah. I didn't want to mess with anything.